Okay, today gonna make another simple geometry nodes, but first I'm going to add the characters from the new one, from characters I created before. These two guys. Actually, this one is the, what do you call it? LOD 1. I forgot to copy the other one. Let's put them in a collection, I guess. The collection. I made these characters before. I'm gonna use them for scaling stuff. Size, structure size. I haven't shown this before. It's just a very large box. Anyway, I'm gonna make a new geometry node. This is simple. It's just going to be I'd say a cylinder with, I don't know, 8 sides. Radius, vertices, I think 8. Yeah, 8. That's it. So I want to make the sides, I want to change the sides into smooth, as simple as that. Okay. So this sides is not smooth, and I want to take this, for example, all of these sides here, and then make it smooth. So just like that. Now it's like circular, but we're going to do it in geometry nodes. It's gonna be simple. So first I'm gonna put this in here. Like here is right there. First we are going to make a geometry node. We'll make a new one, and I'm going to go to geometry nodes. This is the new group we created. We're going to call it smooth sides. It's going to be a simple one. I made a note here. So basically, all we have to do is separate geometry, and then the selection is going to be equal to, need to be a float 0.010, and A is going to be, basically, since we only want the sides, we need to take normal of the face, separate XYZ. We only need the Z. How do I? Okay, we only need the Z. To here. So if Z Oh wait, oh yeah. Z, then separate, and we take the X and we put it to A. Float equal, and it has to be a face. So there it is. So this will always get all the faces that are standing or within the range of this. That's why it's 0.01. So everything that is vertical or slightly vertical will be taken, and it will be like this. We don't actually need the separate, I just want to show it. What we need is a selection of this, because the next step is just, you know, there's already a function for it. Set shade smooth. It's going to be face, and we don't actually need the separate here. You see, just need this, and then the selection is going to be here. So as you can see, everything, every sides is now smooth. So we could remove this. Delete. So this will make every side smooth. Like so. Okay. Every side will become smooth. And what is then for after? So this is going to be useful. I mean, first of all, if everything is smooth, it wouldn't look good, in my opinion. See? Like, if everything is smooth, it wouldn't look good. Like, if this is smooth, yeah, I don't know. I think this looks better. I mean, it depends on what you're creating, right? This looks better. Or, what if these are the ones that are smooth? Either way. I don't know. If these the ones that are smooth, it's gonna be like this, but this one's smooth. I actually want to see what that looks like. Let's make it smooth without the selection. I removed this as separator. Never mind. I shouldn't have removed the separator just to see, but I guess we can just find. Let's save that. That's basically it. So every single object you add here, everything, all of its side will be set to smooth. And we're just going to say set sides smooth. I will use this in the future. I think it's going to be useful because we're going to make like those islands, and I want actually, let's put you here. Let's call this, what do you call this? Range. So that you know. Because if I make a mountain, I want certain parts of it to be smooth and certain angles of it to be not smooth, just create an effect of, you know, where players are able to climb, it's not smooth, but when it's smooth or it looks smooth, then players won't be able to climb them. Something like that. Very simple. It's for my art style really. And let's create plane. Now this is going to be different. Oh, I need to go to object mode first. Plane. Let's see if that. I mean, it's fine. Let's see. Still here. Because I created the plane. Okay. So I'm making a. Let me see. What did I do? What did I do again? Okay. This is the structure size of the world. But I think it's too big. I want to divide it into 4. But basically every single object will be divided by this big or half of this big. And all of those are going to be, what should I call it? I need to divide them to blocks so I could LOD them. I could level of detail them easily. And I'm trying to create an infinite world. So first is I'm gonna make this 160, I guess. This is going to be really big. I don't know. I mean, not the location of the 3D cursor. I don't know. I actually don't know. But there's one thing I know. I don't know if, I mean, I know it's worth it, even though it's really big. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it. Is this just what? Four vertices? Let's just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just do it. 120 by 120. Oh, by 120. And this should be as big as this, right? No, wait. This. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's 160. So it's 160. So imagine this big, and then a character is just going to be this big, right? Okay. So imagine that big. Like this is the character. This is like the I mean, it's not that big compared to the character. This is the character, and this is the, let's say, my target border size in Unity. Border size. It's big. It's really big, actually. You know what? Yeah. We have to make it 80. We have to make it 80. Structure size is now 80. No questions asked. I know. I mean, should have been 6. 15. 160. Should have been 16. Like 16. Like this. Yeah, it should have been 16. Like the chunk. Oh, like the chunk. So this is going to be the standard chunk. I don't want it to be really big. 60, 80, 160 is too much, 80 is enough. 16 was probably better, but I don't know. 80 is way too big. 16 is fine. I don't want way too many objects. That's why I'm picking 80. I don't want way too many. I mean 160 has less. I think this one's better because then you'll be in the center and it's gonna be like 160 and everything around you is going to be high definition, everything higher is going to be low definition. And I want to see infinitely further. I want to see very, very far away. And I think making the chunks bigger is the right step, but I don't know how big. So yeah, so we're gonna use this. So go to the edit mode and subdivide this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 not enough. 7 is I think more than enough. 8 is too much. Yeah, 7 is more than enough. Okay. So this is going to be plain LOD 7, and we're gonna copy this, paste it, and put it in here. You know what? I'm gonna create a new one. Call it plain, and just put this in here, and tab. Go here, tab, and subdivide. This is now going to be LOD 6. Tab, Control C, Control V, turn off, turn this on. Tab is going to be LOD 5. So the further, the lower the detail, and CV. What if we added the skeleton to it? That would be so cool. Now that I thought about it. Okay. This is here. A, subdivide. This is now 4. Save, tab, copy this, V. This is now A, subdivide. This is now 3. I think I'm wrong. I think I made a mistake. I think I should have started at 7. Control C. I mean, I should have started at 6. Because we're gonna use 0. Tab. A, subdivide. Tab. It's going to be 2. CV. A subdivide. This is going to be 1. Okay. If they could. So this is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's. Yeah. CV. I think it's perfect. I think it's not. Subdivide. Subdivide. I don't know. I don't know. Is this, I don't know if this is 7 or what. 8 is bad. 0. So this is going to be like the highest definition. Or is this is subdivide. Okay. Save. So this is going to be 0. Then sub 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's fine. It is. This is none. 1, 2. I'm just double checking. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's call this LOD plane or LOD of detail plane, and we'll save it. So if we put this in Unity, it should automatically be loaded, but we still have to adjust the values depending on how farther away we are from the player. I'm going to need this a lot. I'm going to make shader graph here, and that's why I need it to be like that, so that if I could spawn it like infinitely in Unity, infinity further, then it will have the exact same animation. Let's say the vector, I forgot what it's called, vector shader graph, I don't know. We're basically gonna create some sine waves or something, and I want to see it from really far away, but I don't think if this is necessary. Like, I think it's better to just delete it from player's site instead of making a 7 where there's only, it's basically a giant face. Oh, and by the way, I have to make all of them 1 because I want to scale them in Unity. And I forgot. Oh wait, what did I say? Okay, let's see. I have to make you 1. What was I? 1. I thought I was. Oh, it was this one. No, it wasn't. Why did I manipulate it? The last one? Oh, the last one. So if we tap this, yep, that's about right. And so I'm gonna need this, and I'm gonna need Sage Smooth. I haven't showed it, but I will need this. Quadrant cutter, I will need it. Playing the continent, of course, why not? I'll showcase this. I know window. It's done. Let's just